The knowledge library present. Amazing, important and informative MCQ quiz on ecology. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for all competitive exam preparations.
A pond is a option A, a biome. Option B, a community of plants and animals. Option C, a natural ecosystem. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, a natural ecosystem. The next question is, which one statement is correct regarding man-made ecosystem? Option A, they are highly efficient. Option B, they are poor in diversity. Option C, they are vulnerable to drought, floods and diseases. And option D, all of them are correct. The correct answer is option D, all are correct. The next question is, the largest ecosystem in the world is? Option A, forest. Option B, grassland. Option C, Great Lakes. And option D, oceans. The correct answer will be option D, oceans. Moving on to the next question. A natural ecosystem. Option A, depends on man. Option B, depends on plants. Option C, depends on animals. And option D is auto-operated. The correct answer is option D, it is auto-operated. The next question. Which of the following is an artificial ecosystem created by humans? Option A, grassland ecosystem. Option B, agroecosystem. Option C, ecosystem of artificial lakes. And option D, forest ecosystem. The answer is option B, agroecosystem. The next question. Peacocks eat snakes that eat frogs. Frogs in turn eat the leaves of the plants. The peacock is option A primary consumer. Option B, secondary consumer. Option C, decomposer. And option D, the apex of the food pyramid. The correct answer is option D, the apex of the food pyramid. The next question is, ecosystems are? Option A, always open. Option B, always closed. Option C, both open and closed depending upon the community. Option D, both open and closed depending upon biomass. The correct answer is option C. The next question is, biotic components of an ecosystem include? Option A, producers, consumers and decomposers. Option B, producers and consumers. Option C, producers only. And option D, consumers only. The correct answer is option A, producers, consumers and decomposers. Our next question is, what is the annual net primary productivity of the entire biosphere? Option A, 170 billion tons. Option B, 165 billion tons. Option C, 160 billion tons. Option D, 155 billion tons. The correct answer is option A, 170 billion tons. Moving on to the next question. Which factor limits the primary productivity of an ecosystem most often? Option A, solar radiation or light. Option B, oxygen. Option C, consumers. And option D, nitrogen. The correct answer will be option A, solar radiation or light. The next question. The type of vegetation that occurs in an area with low rainfall, high temperature and loose and sandy soil is called? Option A, grassland. Option B, scrub forest. Option C, xerophytic. Option D, evergreen tropical forest. The correct answer is option C, xerophytic. Moving on to the next question. Ecosystems resist change because they are in a state of option A, imbalance. Option B, homeostasis. Option C, shortage of components. And option D, deficiency of light. The correct answer is option B, homeostasis. Next question. What are the two components of an ecosystem? Option A, plants and animals. Option B, weeds and trees. Option C, biotic and abiotic. Option D, frog and men. The correct answer is option C, biotic and abiotic. The next question is, which of the following is the most stable ecosystem? Option A, mountain. Option B, desert. Option C, forest. And option D, ocean. The correct answer will be option D, ocean. The next question is, energy storage at the consumer level is called? Option A, gross primary productivity. Option B, secondary productivity. Option C, net primary productivity. And option D, net productivity. The correct answer is option B, secondary productivity. The next question. Energy flow in an ecosystem is? Option A, unidirectional. Option B, bidirectional. Option C, multidirectional. And option D, all of these. The correct answer will be option A, unidirectional. Moving on to the next question. Which one is nature's cleaner? Option A, consumers. Option B, producers. Option C, decomposers and scavengers. And option D, symbionts. The correct answer is option C, decomposers and scavengers. The next question is, who is referred to as the farmer's friend? Option A, ant. Option B, sparrow. Option C, earthworm. And option D, rabbit. The correct answer is option C, earthworm. Moving on to the next question. What are the two most important climatic factors that regulate decomposition through their effects on soil microbes? Option A, temperature and rainfall. Option B, temperature and soil moisture. Option C, temperature and humidity. And option D, temperature and pressure. The correct answer is option B, temperature and soil moisture. The next question is, which of the following process help in the nutrient conservation? Option A, mineralization. Option B, immobilization. Option C, leaching. And option D, nitrification. The correct answer will be option B, immobilization. The next question is, what percentage of the PAR is captured by the plants? Option A, 5 to 10%. Option B, 7 to 10%. Option C, 8 to 10%. Option D, 2 to 10%. The correct answer will be option D, 2 to 10%. The next question. Each tropic level has a certain mass of living material at a particular time, which is known as option A, catabolism. Option B, standing crop. Option C, humification. and option D, primary productivity. The correct answer is option B, standing crop. The next question is, in a forest ecosystem, bacteria and fungi are generally option A, producers, option B, decomposers, option C, primary consumers, and option D, secondary consumers. The correct answer is option B, decomposers. The next question, what will happen if decomposers are removed from the ecosystem? Option A, energy cycle is stopped. Option B, mineral cycle is stopped. Option C, consumers cannot absorb solar energy. And option D, rate of decomposition of mineral increases. The correct answer is option B, mineral cycle is stopped. The next question is, ecosystem is what? Option A, always open. Option B, always closed. Option C, both open and closed depending upon the community. Option D, both open and closed depending upon biomass. The correct answer is option A, always open. The next question, bamboo plant is growing in a fir forest, then what will be the trophic level of it? Option A, first trophic level. Option B, second trophic level. Option C, third trophic level. And option D, fourth trophic level. The correct answer is option A, first trophic level. Moving on to the next question. The slow rate of decomposition of fallen logs in nature is due to their option A, low moisture content. Option B, poor nitrogen content. Option C, the anaerobic environment around them. And option D, low cellulose content. The correct answer is option D, low cellulose content. Moving on to our next question. Mass of living matter at a trophic level is in an area at any time is called option A, standing crop. Option B, detritus. Option C, humus. And option D, standing state. The correct answer is option A, standing crop. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following animals may occupy more than one trophic level in the same ecosystem at the same time? Option A, sparrow. Option B, lion. Option C, goat. And option D, frog. The correct answer will be option A, sparrow. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is not a gaseous biochemical cycle in an ecosystem? Option A, sulfur cycle. Option B, phosphorus cycle. Option C, nitrogen cycle. And option D, carbon cycle. The correct answer is option B, phosphorus cycle. Moving on to the next question. In the grass, deer, tiger food chain, grass biomass is 1 ton. The tiger biomass shall be option A, 100 kg, option B, 10 kg, option C, 200 kg, and option D, 1 kg. The correct answer will be option B, 10 kg. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is a primary consumer in the maize field ecosystem? Option A, lion. Option B, grasshopper. Option C, wolf. And option D, phytoplankton. The correct answer is option B, grasshopper. The next question. Whale is a option A, primary producer. Option B, carnivorous secondary consumer. Option C, a decomposer. Option D, herbivorous. The correct answer will be option B, carnivorous secondary consumer. The next question. If an ecosystem is composed of only 3 trophic levels, then how much energy will be conserved at the 3rd trophic level? Option A 30%, option B 20%, option C 10%, and option D 1%. The correct answer of this question is option D 1%. Moving on to the next question. The animals that occupy the same trophic level are option A, lion and bees, option B, deer and bees, option C, snakes and earthworms, and option D, crow and cow. The correct answer is option D, crow and cow. Moving on to the next question. What are the organisms that are used as food materials but that are not killed by other organisms in nature? Option A, primary consumer, option B, secondary consumer, option C, top consumer, and option D, decomposers. The correct answer will be option A, primary consumers. Moving on to the next question. What type of pyramid shows the best efficiency of an ecosystem? Option A, pyramid of number, option B, pyramid of biomass, option C, pyramid of volume, and option D, pyramid of energy. The correct answer will be option B, pyramid of biomass. Moving on to the next question. Decomposers of an ecosystem include option A, microscopic animals, option B, bacteria and fungi, option C, both A and B, and option D, bacteria, fungi, and microscopic animals. The correct answer is option B, bacteria and fungi. The next question. In a simple ecosystem with grass, deer, and tiger in the food chain, how much amount of food is available to the tiger if the grass production is 1 ton? Option A, 100 kg, option B, 10 kg, option C, 1 kg, and option D, 100 gram. The correct answer is option B, that is 10 kg. The next question is, which type of pyramid of number is present in the tree ecosystem? Option A, upright, option B, inverted, option C, rhomboidal, and option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option B, inverted. Moving on to the next question. What type of pyramid shows a standing crop ecosystem? Option A, pyramid of energy, option B, pyramid of number, option C, pyramid of biomass, option D, none of the above. The correct answer will be option C, pyramid of biomass. The next question. A food chain can have trophic levels. Option A, 3 or 4, option B, 3, option C, 2, and option D, 1. The correct answer will be option A, 3 or 4. Moving on to the next question. Where do herbivores fit into a food chain? Option A, primary producers, option B, primary consumers, option C, secondary consumers, option D, decomposers. The correct answer is option B, primary consumers. Moving on to the next question. Grassland with scattered trees is called option A, savanna, option B, deciduous forest, option C, evergreen forest, and option D, tropical rainforest. The correct answer is Option A, savanna. Moving on to the next question. What is PAR? Option A, photoperiod active radiation. Option B, photosynthetically active radiation. Option C, photoperiod active resources. And option D, photosynthetically active resources. The correct answer is option B, photosynthetically active radiation. The next question. Tip of the ecological pyramid is occupied by. Option A, producers. Option B, herbivores. Option C, carnivores. And option D, omnivores. Correct answer is option C, carnivores. Moving on to the next question. In a food wave, each successive trophic level has. Option A, increased total energy. Option B, less total energy content. Option C, more total energy content. And option D, non-estimated energy content. The correct answer is option B, less total energy content. The next question. Who proposed the 10% law of energy flow in the ecosystem? Option A, Lindemann. Option B, Carl Moebius. Option C, Transley. And option D, Darwin. The correct answer will be option A, Lindemann. The next question. When the number of organisms at the successive levels are plotted, they assume the shape of a pyramid. This is called the pyramid of option A, energy. Option B, number. Option C, biomass. And option D, both A and C. The correct answer is option B, number. Moving on to the next question. Why do tropical deciduous forest trees shed their leaves? Option A, protect themselves from heat. Option B, save energy. Option C, enhance the rate of respiration. Option D, prevent loss of water. The correct answer is option D, to prevent loss of water. Moving on to the next question. What is a succession in saline soil? Option A, Mesosphere. Option B, Lithosphere. Option C, Samosphere. And option D, Halosphere. The correct answer is option D, Halosphere. Moving on to the next question. What is the name of the species that invade a bare area? Option A, keystone species. Option B, extinct species. Option C, pioneer species. And option D, rare species. The correct answer is option C, pioneer species. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is a major constituent of biological membranes, nucleic acids and cellular energy transfer system? Option A, phosphorus. Option B, carbon. Option C, oxygen. And option D, nitrogen. The correct answer will be option A, phosphorus. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is considered as the pioneer community in Xerark? Option A, annual herb. Option B, perennial herb. Option C, scrub stage. And option D, lichen. The correct answer will be option D, lichen. Moving on to the next question. What are the early settlers on a barren area? Option A, ferns. Option B, mosses. Option C, lichens. And option D, diatoms. The correct answer is option C, lichens. Moving on to the next question. Which community starts succession in a habitat? Option A, pioneer community. Option B, seral community. Option C, biotic community. And option D, ecosphere. The correct answer is option A, pioneer community. The next question is, last stabilized community in a plant succession is known as? Option A, seral community. Option B, pioneer community. Option C, ecosphere. And option D, climax community. The correct answer is option D, climax community. Moving on to the next question. Intermediate communities between pioneer and climax communities are called? Option A, seral community. Option B, biotic community. Option C, temporary community. And option D, ecosphere. The correct answer will be option A, seral community. Moving on to the next question. Trophic level in a food chain which cycles are various materials between environment and living organisms is constituted by? Option A, producers. Option B, consumers. Option C, decomposers. Option D, all of these. The correct answer will be option C, decomposers. Moving on to the next question. What is ecological succession on sand? Option A, samosphere. Option B, xerosphere. Option C, halosphere. And option D, hydrosphere. The correct answer will be option A, samosphere. Moving on to the next question. In ecological succession from pioneer to climax community, the biomass shall be? Option A, decrease. Option B, increase and then decrease. Option C, no relation. Option D, increase continuously. The correct answer is option D, increase continuously. Moving on to the next question. Phosphorus usually becomes a limiting factor at certain times of the year in which ecosystem? Option A, aquatic ecosystem. Option B, grassland ecosystem. Option C, forest ecosystem. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer will be option A, aquatic ecosystem. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is an ecosystem exhibits one-way flow rather than cyclic flow? Option A, potassium. Option B, carbon. Option C, free energy. And option D, nitrogen. The correct answer will be option C, free energy. Moving on to the next question. Which ecosystem does not show variations dependent upon geographic locations and rainfall? Option A, marine ecosystem. Option B, freshwater ecosystem. Option C, desert ecosystem. And option D, tropical ecosystem. The answer is option A, marine ecosystem. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is expected to have the highest value gram per meter square per year in a grassland ecosystem? Option A, secondary producer. Option B, tertiary production. Option C, gross production. And option D, net production. The correct answer will be option C, gross production. Moving on to the next question. Approximately 70% of the world's fresh water is contained in? Option A, polar ice. Option B, glaciers and mountains. Option C, Antarctica. And option D, Greenland. The correct answer will be option A, polar ice. Moving on to the next question. The construction of ecological pyramids does not involve the use of option A, number of individuals, option B, rate of energy flow, option C, fresh weight, and option D, dry weight. The correct answer will be option C, that is fresh weight. Moving on to the next question. About 70% of the total global carbon is found in option A, grasslands, option B, agroecosystems, option C, oceans, and option D, forests. The correct answer is option C, oceans. Moving on to the next question. What do you call the biomass that herbivores and decomposers can consume? Option A, net primary productivity, option B, secondary productivity, option C, standing crop, and option D, gross primary productivity. The correct answer is option A, net primary productivity. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following statements regarding a pyramid of energy is incorrect while the other three are correct? Option A, its base is broad. Option B, it shows the energy content of different trophic levels. Option C, it is inverted in shape. And option D, it is upright in shape. The correct answer is option C, it is inverted in shape. Moving on to the next question. What do both Hydrac and Xerac successions lead to? Option A, medium water condition, option B, xeric conditions, option C, highly dry conditions, option D, excessive wet conditions. The correct answer of this question is option A, medium water conditions. Moving on to the next question. The rate of formation of new organic matter by a rabbit in grassland is called option A, net productivity, option B, secondary productivity, option C, net primary productivity, and option D, gross primary productivity. The correct answer will be option B, secondary productivity. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not an ecosystem function? Option A, energy flow, option B, decomposition, option C, productivity, and option D, stratification. The correct answer will be option D, stratification. Moving on to the next question. What is the natural reservoir of phosphorus? Option A, animal bones, option B, rock, option C, fossils, and option D, seawater. The correct answer will be option B, rock. Moving on to the next question. Nematophorus are characteristics of plants that grow in option A, saline soils, option B, sandy soils, option C, marshy places and salt lakes, and option D, dry land regions. The correct answer is option C, marshy places and salty lakes. The next question is, what is the producer in the chain when a man eats fish that feed on zooplankton that has eaten small plants? Option A, zooplankton, option B, small plants, option C, fish, option D, man. The correct answer of this question is option B, small plants. Moving on to the next question. In which ecosystem can inverted pyramid of a biomass be found? Option A, forest, option B, marine, option C, grassland, and option D, tundra. The correct answer will be option B, marine. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not a producer? Option A, Spirogera. Option B, Agaricus. Option C, Volvox. And option D, Nostoc. The correct answer is option B, Agaricus. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following ecosystems is most productive in terms of net primary production? Option A, deserts. Option B, tropical rainforest. Option C, oceans. And option D, estuaries. The correct answer of this question is option B, tropical rainforest. Moving on to the next question. Pyramid of numbers is option A, always upright. Option B, always inverted. Option C, either upright or inverted. And option D, neither upright nor inverted. The correct answer is option C, either upright or inverted. Moving on to the next question. Approximately how much of the solar energy falls on the leaves of a plant are converted to chemical energy by photosynthesis? Option A, less than 1%. Option B, 2 to 10%. Option C, 30%. And option D, 50%. The correct answer is option B, 2 to 10%. The next question is, in which of the following would decomposition occur most quickly? Option A, tropical rainforest. Option B, Antarctic. Option C, dry arid region. And option D, alpine region. The correct answer will be option A, tropical rainforest. Moving on to the next question. How much of the net primary productivity of a terrestrial ecosystem is eaten and digested by herbivores? Option A, 1%. Option B, 10%. Option C, 40%. And option D, 90%. The correct answer of this question will be option B, that is 10%. Moving on to our next question. What are the changes that occur in communities as a result of ecological succession? Option A, orderly and sequential. Option B, random. Option C, very quick. And option D, not influenced by the physical environment. The correct answer is option A, orderly and sequential. Moving on to the next question. The climax community is in a state of option A, non-equilibrium. Option B, equilibrium. Option C, disorder. And option D, constant change. The correct answer is option B, equilibrium. Moving on to our next question. Among the following biochemical cycles, which one does not have lost due to respiration? Option A, phosphorus. Option B, nitrogen. Option B, C, sulfur. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. The next question is, the reservoir of the gaseous type of biogeochemical cycle exists in the option A, stratosphere. Option B, atmosphere. Option C, ionosphere. And option D, lithosphere. The correct answer is option B, that is atmosphere. Moving on to the next question. If the carbon atoms fixed by producers already have passed through the three species, the trophic level of the last species would be option A, scavenger. Option B, tertiary producer. Option C, tertiary consumer. And option D, secondary consumer. The correct answer will be option C, tertiary consumer. Moving on to the next question. In an area where evaporation exceeds precipitation and annual rainfall is below 100 mm, which one of the following type of ecosystem is expected? Option A, grassland. Option B, shrubby forest. Option C, desert. And option D, mangrove. The correct answer will be option C, desert. Moving on to the next question. At the edge of a lake or ocean, an area alternatively exposed to air and immersed in water is called option A, pelagic zone. Option B, benthic zone. Option C, lentic zone. Option D, littoral zone. The correct answer will be option D, littoral zone. Moving on to the next question. What does the edaphic factor refer to? Option A, water. Option B, soil. Option C, relative humidity. Option D, altitude. The correct answer of this question will be option B, soil. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is an ecosystem service provided by natural ecosystem? Option A, cycling of nutrients. Option B, preservation of soil erosion. Option C, pollutant absorption and reduction of the threat of global warming. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Moving on to the next question. What is the natural reservoir of phosphorus? Option A, animal bones. Option B, rock. Option C, fossils. And option D, seawater. The correct answer will be option B, rock. Moving on to the next question. Secondary productivity is the rate of formation of new organic matter by option A, parasite. Option B, consumer. Option C, decomposer. And option D, producer. The correct answer is option B, consumer. Moving on to the next question. In the maize field ecosystem, which of the following is a primary consumer? Option A, lion. Option B, grasshopper. Option C, wolf. And option D, phytoplankton. The correct answer will be option B, grasshopper. Moving on to the next question. When a man eats fish that feeds on zooplankton which has eaten small plants, the producer in the chain is option A, zooplankton. Option B, small plants. Option C, fish. Option D, man. The correct answer will be option B, small plants. Moving on to the next question. The age pyramid with a broad base indicates option A, high percentage of young individuals. Option B, high percentage of old individuals. Option C, low percentage of young individuals. And option D, a stable population. The correct answer is option A, high percentage of youth individual. Moving on to the next question. Vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels in a biotic community is known as option A, stratification. Option B, zonation. Option C, pyramid. And option D, divergence. The correct answer of this question will be option A, stratification. Moving on to the next question. What is the mass of living material at a particular time at a trophic level? Option A, standing state. Option B, net primary productivity. Option C, standing crop. And option D, gross primary productivity. The correct answer is option C, standing crop. Moving on to the next question. How is the rate of organic matter production during photosynthesis defined in an ecosystem? Option A, gross primary productivity. Option B, secondary productivity. Option C, net productivity. And option D, net primary productivity. The correct answer will be option A, gross primary productivity. Now moving on to the next question. Secondary succession takes place in option A, degraded forest. Option B, newly created pond. Option C, new cooled lava. Option D, bare rock. The correct answer is option A, degraded forest. Moving on to the next question. The increase in a toxicant's concentration at successive trophic levels is called option A, biodeterioration. Option B, biotransformation. Option C, biogeochemical. And option D, biomagnification. The correct answer will be option D, biomagnification. Moving on to the next question. During biological nitrogen fixation, inactivation of nitrogenous by oxygen poisoning is prevented by option A, xanthophyll. Option B, carotene. Option C, cytochrome. And option D, legemoglobin. The correct answer will be option D, legemoglobin. Moving on to our next question. An association of individuals from different species living in the same habitat and having functional interactions is called option A, biotic community. Option B, ecosystem. Option C, population. And option D, ecological niche. The correct answer will be option A, biotic community. Moving on to the next question. Most animals living in deep oceanic waters are called option A, secondary consumers. Option B, tertiary consumers. Option C, detritivores. And option D, primary consumers. The correct answer of this question will be option C, detritivores. Moving on to the next question. What is a characteristic feature of the cropland ecosystem? Option A, absence of soil organisms. Option B, least genetic diversity. Option C, absence of weeds. And option D, ecological succession. The correct answer will be option B, least genetic diversity. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following organisms would appear as the pioneer organism on bare rock? Option A, lichens. Option B, liverworts. Option C, mosses. And option D, green algae. The correct answer will be option A, lichens. Moving on to the next question. Who coined the term ecosystem? Option A, E.P. Odum. Option B, A.J. Transley. Option C, E. Haeckel. And option D, E. Warming. The correct answer is option B, A.G. Transley. The next question. What ecosystem has the highest biomass? Option A, grassland ecosystem. Option B, pond ecosystem. Option C, lake ecosystem. And option D, forest ecosystem. The correct answer is option D, forest ecosystem.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.